Children, in this video, we will see some interesting examples of adding numbers using the carryover method with the help of groups of tens.
We had great fun in the zoo yesterday.
And we learned a lot as well.
Yes. Give me some more examples to practice.
Look, here are two abacus. With the help of the abacus beads, try to identify the numbers and add them.
In the first abacus, in the tens box, there are 7 beads. This makes it 7 tens, that is 70. And in ones box, there are 4 beads, which makes it 4 ones, that is 4. Now to add 4 to 70, count after 70. 71, 72, 73 and 74.
Well done. And in the second abacus, in the tens box, there is 1 bead. This makes it 1 tenth. In the ones box, there are 7 beads. That is 7 ones. So adding 1 tens and 7 makes 17.
Now we have to add 74 and 17.
But before that, we have to write both the numbers in the ones tens boxes.
Yes, after writing both the numbers in this way, in the ones tens boxes, adding 4 and 7 in ones box makes 11. 11 means 1 tens and 1 ones. We have to write 1 ones in the ones box and carry over 1 tens.
Now we have to add the numbers in the tens box to the carryover number.
Adding 7 to the carryover number, 1 will equal 8 and adding 1 to 8 will equal 9. So we have to write 9 in the tens box.
74 added to 17 will give us a total of 91.
Yes. While adding, we have to first add the numbers in the ones box. And then we have to add the numbers in the tens box along with the carryover number. Yes, let's go now.
Children, I hope you were able to identify the abacus numbers as well as learn how to add two-digit numbers using the carryover method. In the next video, we will learn some interesting facts about adding two-digit numbers with the carryover method.